Hello, Ride On people. I haven't been able to substantiate whether this report is valid and true or not, but I'm assuming at this point that it is. It looks like there is a recall for the 2021 Multistrada models, the V4, V4S, due to substandard metal being used on the valve guides. And unfortunately that means a complete engine replacement for those that have bought the bikes, and for those in transit I believe they're going to go back to Italy for engine replacement, and naturally this is also going to hit the production line in terms of delivery. So for those waiting for the full stroke sport models coming out in the sportier livery in the middle of this year, who knows now when we may see those or not see those. Anyway, I thought I'd get this news out. As I say, I haven't been able to confirm it yet with my dealer or Ducati, but I'm just putting it out there for general information. Have a great day.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.